Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. At least two of the island's mayors say it's business as usual in their towns despite the heavy rains. That as the flood rains have had little impact on commerce.
The town is still busy, up and about. I was just in the square a while ago, and activities is being held. So I would say that it is doing fairly well.
Business seems to be normal along the coastline between Orchard going on to St. Anne's Bay, Discovery Bay, Runaway Bay. Normal Monday morning. It hasn't really affected us to the point where there's a great loss of economic value at this time.
In the meantime, President of the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, Larry Watson, and the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce and Industry President, Winston Lawson, say it may be too early to determine the impact of the rain on their members. But they said there has been no reported disruptions, though business is likely to have been slower than usual. And the price of oil closed at $70 today, gaining 28 cents. The price almost breaks the four-year high as bets on disruptions to global crude supplies continued amid weaker production in Venezuela and expectations the U.S. will impose new sanctions against Iran. Currency trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $125.61. The Canadian dollar went for $96.80. The pound sterling sold for $169.27, while the euro closed at $147.81. The main JSE index lost over 2,600 points today to close at just over 300,000 points. The junior index closed at 2,932 points, and that's down by 35 points. Among the winners were Productive Business Solutions, AMG Packaging and Paper, Victoria Mutual Investments, Sagicor Group Jamaica, JMMB Group, General Accident Insurance Company, Lasco Distributors, and Stationery and Office Supplies. Now on the losing side were Paramount Trading, Jamaican Teas, Berger Paints, Caribbean Producers, Sterling Investments, Scotia Group Jamaica, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Cargo Handlers. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.